everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into ChatGPT without phone number. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in chat.openai.com/chat and press enter. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can choose whether you'd like to log into your ChatGPT account or sign up. In order to log into an existing account for ChatGPT, click the login button. You will not need your phone number in order to log into your existing account. Simply go ahead and type in your email address in the first text box and make sure to type in the correct email address that is registered with ChatGPT. Once you are done, click on I'm not a robot. Now, complete the puzzle in the pop-up next and click verify. Once you verify that you're not a robot, click continue. On the next page, it will ask you to enter your password for ChatGPT. Simply go ahead and enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done filling in your email and password, click continue and you'll be able to log into your ChatGPT account. Remember that you will not need your phone number while logging into your ChatGPT account. If you're about to sign up for a new account, then you'll need to confirm your mobile number as well. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.